Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to map fields from a lead to an account, contact, and opportunity in Salesforce CRM. So this is one of the most important topics for every Salesforce administrator because it directly affects what data gets transferred when lead is converted. So when we are discussing about Salesforce standard functionality, when we convert a lead into the account, so in that time we need to map or we need to transfer some data from lead object to the account object. So in that time, this topic is very important. So then what is the lead field mapping? Lead field mapping is the process of automatically transferring data from the lead field to the account, contact or opportunity fields when the lead is converted in that time only. So without mapping, Salesforce only transfers standard fields and any custom fields that you have explicitly mapped. If the custom field does not map, its value won't be appear or copied during conversion. So then what is actually happen during lead conversion? When you click on convert on lead, Salesforce can create account, contact and opportunity. The lead itself not deleted, it's marked as converted and Salesforce links to the new record. So for example, if any lead is converted, it will automatically create some records. You can see like this. Okay. So then what is standard fields and custom fields? Standard fields, Salesforce automatically maps to the standard fields. For example, lead company, the field is in lead object that will automatically map in account name. The first name is contact first name. Lead name is lead last name is contact last name. Lead email is contact email. Lead phone is contact phone. So this is all automatically map. You don't need to configure these mappings. Then custom fields. For custom fields, Salesforce does not map automatically. You must configure that mapping yourself. So then how we can map the lead object fields into the account, contact or opportunity? We simply click on gear icon. Then we need to open the setup. In Object Manager, we need to select the lead object. So currently I will select like lead object. So simply click on lead object. Then open the fields and relationship. So once you open the fields and relationship, in the last button, we can see the map lead fields. So simply click on that. So once you click on that button, automatically it will show what all the fields are present in particular account, contact and opportunity. So currently I have some fields like branch, customer address, customer location, email ID, some fields I have in lead object. In this lead object fields, I have some custom and some standard leads. So for this custom or standard fields, I need to map with accounts fields. So that's why in account also I have some custom or standard fields with same name. In the lead object branch field, I need to map with account object branch field. Customer address also same. Customer location, email ID. In here, same like I need to map for each and every field from the lead object to the account object. In contact also I have same, but some are not mapped. So because this I don't need, so that's why I don't map it. So some are I need, so that's why I created that field by custom and mapped with lead object field. Opportunity is a optional thing, so that's why I don't add anything. If you want that opportunity record also need to map, you simply select that field. That's it. So once you map and save it, automatically when the lead is converted, all the field values mapped from the lead object field values to the contact or account or opportunity. For example, so I will open my account object. So in this, you can see almost all the fields are mapped. So this field value, I didn't enter anything in manual. It will automatically comes from the lead object. So I hope you completely understand these things. So how we can map the account, contact, and opportunity object field values with lead object field values. So if you found this video is helpful, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.